2120 Archery Tag. Looking to expand my business, grow my business, get more people to experience the new sport of archery tag with us here in the city of Laverne, right outside of Los Angeles.
Sweet. Awesome, man. Well, let's dive in. Audience builder. So we want to build the audience. And then what happens is when they go to your website, we start gathering their what's called pixels. I do this for restaurants because it's super effective for restaurants. You could actually go on Facebook, and what you could do is you could target people that are about to have a birthday. And a week before their birthday and a week after their birthday, we're going to send them an ad. And we're going to say, happy birthday. And of course, they're going to look at it because they're like, how do they know it's my birthday?
Yeah.
And they're going to click on it.
Because for us, that's kind of like, bread and butter. Kind of looking at it for a couple months and looking at, hey, we were at this, now we're at, this number. It increased by, twofold, threefold for them.
Cool. Yeah, I'm excited for you guys. So
we can raise up the budget.
Yep.
Because obviously, if we see it beneficial on our end, hey, the ROI on this is great. So let's raise that budget by another, $200, $300, $400.
Yeah.
We can go that way as well.
Exactly. As these start to mature, like you're going to start reducing your cost per lead, reducing your cost per client, and you'll be like, okay, well, yeah, now we're getting, X amount of dollars per lead. All we got to do, and we need 10 leads. Once we get 10 leads, it pretty much equals about $1,000 in revenue. And you could say, okay, well, it's a no-brainer. Then at this point, marketing doesn't become an expense. It becomes a profit for you.